In this video, I'm going to teach you about landing pages versus website pages, what they are, and which one is better for your marketing. Stay tuned. Most people we talk to have never heard the term landing pages. So let me quickly explain the technical jargon before we move on. Imagine this. You're scrolling through one of your social media platforms and you see a video ad about a workshop or a free thing that sparks your interest and you want to know more. So you click the Learn More button, and under the video, this takes you to another page with all the information that you need and an option to buy a ticket or opt in or put your details in. We call this a landing page, and it's the first page you land on after clicking an ad. You can have videos, photos, and text on your landing page, which will direct the viewer to click on a button that takes them to a purchase form or an information box that asks for their details. From here, you can link the landing page to your email database, which will collect details and send them an email with a ticket or information that they wanted or purchased. This is a key part of growing your business that you have to have. Now, the biggest mistake people make is they use their website page as a landing page, and I'll tell you why in a moment. But first, if you've started marketing your business and already built an opt-in for your audience, this video will explain why you didn't get the amount of leads that you'd hoped for. We talk a lot about using Boost Posts and Facebook Ad Manager and the benefits of using both. All right, back to landing pages and websites. Websites are a shop window, and they're a great way for people to find you, learn about your business and what you have to offer. But you often need a web developer to make them for you, and you probably don't want to make too many changes, right? Well, the first thing that you're going to learn when marketing your business is that it has to be fluid and easy to do. And perhaps you may not get it right on the first time, and you'll have to tweak things until it starts working. So imagine having to contact your web developer every single time you need a text change or wanted to move a picture. And that is what you will need to do. These may be simple changes, but contacting your web developer, waiting for them to see the message, and actually getting around to doing it takes a lot of precious time. This is exactly why you don't want to use a website as a landing page. Instead, you can use a program like Lead Pages, ClickFunnels, there's lots of them, to create your own landing pages and be able to change them on your own until they work. We love a program or a company called Lead Pages, and we've been using it for 7 years. They have loads of templates that are proven to work and optimized. You can measure the results, and it's really easy to use. Now, here is something else that you've heard 1,000 times. I don't have time, I will get somebody else to set it up for me. Hey, I get it, I'm busy too. But learning and understanding how this works is fundamental to making it work. Once you know how online marketing works, you can simply direct people, read results, and know what to change to make your funnels work and get results. Nothing feels better. No one knows your business and your clients like you do. No one has that passion either. And the people that set up funnels have really technical ways of thinking and probably don't even connect with your audience. So if you tried this before and it hasn't worked for you, I can guarantee it comes down to one problem. You weren't speaking to the right person. You could have the best looking videos and a perfect marketing funnel, but if your message is too broad or you're confusing your audience by trying to fix too many things, you won't get the results. We help people like you every single day with their messaging, their videos, their marketing, and also their energy, their energetic blocks. So if you want to take the next step in your business growth, let's have a chat. Click the link over here, fill out a short questionnaire, and book in a call with one of my team or myself to talk through your needs and how we can help you. Remember, for more videos on growing your business, be sure to subscribe and click that little bell.